Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gab, and I can't believe that I found these. I went to a Walmart that I normally don't go to. I actually got these really cute resin earrings on sale there as well. But I found the Blue's Clues and You Mashems series. Oh my god, why did it take so long to find these? So those are the ones you can get, and there's a mystery one, which I can't really find out who the mystery one is online, but that's what the wrapper looks like. I opened one already on my TikTok, so if you want to check that out, my TikTok is linked down below. And if you're here from TikTok, hello. If you don't want to look right now at my TikTok, that's fine. I will just show you the one that I got already because I was so impatient in the car. I bought 5 of them, so I was like, let's see who I get first. And it was the one I really wanted, which was, there's like a weird mark on it. Anyways, oh, it comes off. I was like, what is that? This one is magenta. There she is and all her cuteness. And it's basically just like this little sweetie thing. Super cute. I actually have a couple of these, not too many, but I was collecting, not Blue's Clues. I have like a My Little Pony one. I think I have 2 My Little Pony ones. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I was like, I want the Blue's Clues ones. And if it wasn't for Blue's Clues, I probably wouldn't even be collecting these. But I got magenta to start, so that is, I think, pretty good. And then it just comes with the whole paper on the inside. So, and they come in these really cute, like, little bubbles capsules. So that is the first one. Like I showed you from the wrapper, I'll just grab this fruit. So like I showed you guys before, the characters that you get. There are 6 characters you can get. 1 mystery one, magenta, mailbox, soap, TikTok, and blue. Is soap even its name, or is it like suds or something? I can't really remember the soap's name. But yeah, so let's get into these. So here is the first one we're going to be doing. All right, so here is the first one. And since we already got magenta, I feel like I really would like to get blue. I mean, I obviously want all of them. But my tops right now next would be probably to get blue. Obviously, because the main character. And that mystery one would kind of be cool to get. They have a pool right on the side, which is nice. They always end up flying out of my hand. Let's dust the wrapper off. And who do we have? We got the little chunky soapies, so cute! I like that they're wrapped in these so you can keep them clean. Oh my god, look at our little soap boy. He's so cute. I really didn't think I was gonna find these. I can't believe that I even did. Crazy. Here he is. Does he actually, like, there? That's what I was trying to do. Yeah. All right. So we found Slippity Slope Soap, whatever his name is. I actually really love Blue's Clues stuff. I collect some of the vintage items, and I can add this to my little collection. So we got the little soap boy next. So we got magenta so far and our little soap boy. I'm kind of excited that we got 2 already, you know, that we didn't. Oh, no duplicates. Okay. I was going to say didn't have, but here is our third one, and I'm still looking for blue. So that would be exciting if we got blue in this, or the mystery one. And they had a lot left in the package too when I went to get these, so I don't feel bad about getting 6 of them. I just wanted to have an even shot. So 1, 2. Oh, I thought the bubble was gonna explode off. We got mailbox! I can't believe I'm actually getting the ones that I need. I usually always, I shouldn't even say that. But yes, look at, he's another one that's just like a chunky boy. Look at him. Oh my god. He is stinking adorable. Look at that. I'll show at the end like close-ups of all the ones that I get, but like, look at him. He's squishy, he's adorable, he's a chunky little boy. I'm very happy about this one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I might get a full set. I'm like even afraid to say that I'm gonna like jinx myself, but these are so freaking cute. So we have 3 more to go. Let's do another. Like I said, I still really want blue in this Mashems series. Super squishy, it says on the side. Can we open this? Okay, there we go. Oh, I want the mystery too. Mystery would be nice. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. That's what I'm talking about. And we just got a duplicate of Mailbox. So since I already showed him to you, I probably will just end up selling him on my eBay. So if you want one of these, check out my eBay store or my Depop and buy this Blue's Clues Mashem, because at this point they're very hard to find and I want to help you out. So that's the first duplicate. I'm not mad. There's 2 more. I'm nervous because I want blue. I really want blue, okay? And I'm not going all the way back to where I want to get these because it was super far. These are the characters still that I need to get. TikTok, blue, and mystery. I'd be happy if I just got blue and TikTok. But at this point, you know, because there's 2 left, it would have to be either one. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. 1, 2. Oh, why isn't it going? 1, 2. Why won't you go? Maybe this way. 1, 2. Womp, womp, womp. It felt like a fickie. It's another freaking mailbox. So if 2 people want it, come get it. I had to grab it. It just went across the whole entire room. Okay. So there's my garbage. I want to keep these so I can resell. I'm a little sad because I have 1 more to go. I have 2 freaking mailbox ones. I feel like I jinxed myself.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I might get a full set.
I'm not going to have a complete set unless I go online and buy the ones I'm missing. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad. Unless I get TikTok in this one or blue, like, I'm going to be a sad girl. It feels like not a chunky one, so maybe it's what I need. 1, 2. I got blue! I don't know where that flew to, but I got blue in this one. I'm not even mad about not getting TikTok, even though that's depressing, because I actually got one that has our boy, the star of the freaking show in it, little baby Blue Boo. And it is squishy. This is adorable. It's super freaking cute. I'm so happy that I at least got the ones that I did get. Very fortunate, very fortunate. I'm sad about my 2 double mailboxes, but you know, somebody should come give them a home. Where the hell did the... Okay, I lost the other part of the shell, but I will show you the ones that I did find, obviously, today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Of course, if I somehow find more of these by luck, I might pick a few up just because I do need the mystery one and TikTok still. But I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. All right, I found it.